started. Do rock, paper, scissors, shoot to see who goes first. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna go for this one. And also, guys, there is switch up, and you're probably thinking, how are you gonna switch if you don't have bows? We're actually gonna be switching seeds if we get switch up, so I don't really want switch up. I got number 1, lucky number 1.
Okay.
I got green, a mermaid slime so far.
Okay, now I'm gonna.
Oh wait, I need to pour it on the table. Okay, what did you get? Number 4. Number 4. Okay, guys, so ready? Let's pour it on the table. Oh, I wish I had a bowl. What if it doesn't make slime? Okay, ready? Oh my god. And this glue's really strong, so hopefully it doesn't stain our table. Because if it does, then we'll have a green table.
Is this one strong?
No, because I think that one's clear. This one usually takes over. So, hopefully.
Bella, move the little paper out of the way.
I'm gonna put it right here. So it
Okay. Should I put a little bit more? Yeah, I'm gonna put more.
Put the whole thing.
Okay. Time to make a mess.
How are we gonna take it off?
We're probably, if we don't get activator, then we're just gonna have this dripping all over us, so. Oh, Bella, yours is like spreading out. Our parents are probably like, what are you doing? No.
Bella, what do you think so far? Is it going to be messy? Yeah?
A
And
huge
yours?
disaster. Bella's is spreading, guys. What if it falls on you? You're gonna have to like scoop it and like, oh. Now it's Bella's turn to go first.
Okay,
What did you get?
oh, it's not so
I'm
bad.
gonna wait for you.
It doesn't look like switch up.
You don't think it's gonna be switch up? Number 7. Do you have number 7?
Yeah. So it's actually.
Shaving cream. Ooh, that's a nice slime. Let's see what I get. Oh, I need a mixer first. I'm gonna go for. Let's see what I get.
Bella, do you need help?
Number 9.
Here, I'll help you.
Number 9. What is this?
Guys,
Holographic glitter. It's so pretty. Oh no, wait. It's iridescent. Oops. So
are you
pretty.
gonna put all of it?
Yeah, I need all of it. It's so pretty. It's like pink
Let me
and
show.
white. It's so beautiful, you guys.
Oh, it's so pretty.
If you ever see white glitter putting into your slime, it makes it pretty. So now it's my turn to go first, and I'm gonna mix it up. And I got this one. Let's see what you got. Okay, I got number 11. Ooh, I got some foam beads. I have like Ariel slime, like mermaid slime. What did you got? Can you even open this? Oh, there you go. Should I add the whole
Put it
thing?
in the door.
Okay.
Oh, I got 2.
Number 2. You're gonna have pretty slime. You have like.
Hey, you both got purple.
Oh, she's gonna have like unicorn and I'm gonna have a mermaid. Like our shirts. You like our? Look at our shirts. It says mermaids take shelfies. Get it?
Show. Yeah.
You need help? You're strong. I really like the color of your blue and your purple. It's so pretty. Look, guys. I'm a unicorn.
Can I see? Oh my god, it took over all the foam beads.
Yeah.
Let's see, Bella's.
Look, guys, I'm a unicorn.
Whoa, my foam beads are running to yours. Oh my god. Why is there a white foam bead in here? There's like 2 white ones, just random. You guys see it?
I think it's gonna get and go.
One eternity later.
Oh my god, don't laugh. It's gonna spread.
It's about to drip! Okay.
Don't get
What did you get? What did you get? Oh! I'll get this one. Okay, let's see what I got. Number 10. These are the prettiest. Look at these. These are like little beads, but
I got that.
no, you didn't.
Wait,
do
turn
I
it
still
around?
put it in? Or?
Yeah, put it in and then you guys switch. Bella, turn it around so we can see what you got. Turn the paper around. Let me see.
I'm just gonna
Oh my gosh,
dump
don't
it
mind my
all.
nails. I have 2 nails painted. You guys
Look
see?
at them, guys. It's like
Hold on.
little
I'm trying to focus it. It doesn't focus, but it says switch up.
and these are little beads. I'm gonna add all of them. They're so pretty and gold. Oh wait, we're doing switch up. Ah!
Okay, switch.
Okay, you can sit in. How are we gonna do this?
They all look like sprinkles.
I don't think you guys can see my face, but sorry.
Yeah, you can see.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Let me see. Oh my god, I
It
almost
feels so
fell.
weird sitting on the side. I've never sat on the side.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Bella. Does it feel weird sitting there?
Yeah, it's jumping on me. Oh my god. No, why are you happy about that? Push it, push it, push. Look at my hands. Look what you made me switch for. Okay, guys, so this is dripping. I don't know how I'm gonna pick, but let's just try. Can you mix it this time and then I'll pick? Cause like I don't know how I'm gonna mix it. Can you mix
Bella?
I just noticed. Since it's not the spoon, we have to mix it with our hands.
Yeah, you have to mix it with your hands. But can you mix the little bowl for Sissy so she can choose
Oh my
one?
god. Okay, go.
Yeah.
I'm gonna mix it.
Okay, she'll grab it.
It stuck to my finger.
Bella, choose yours.
I don't know how to open this. Okay.
Oh,
This is
it's
hard
not
to open.
switch up. The thing is so pretty.
Hopefully I don't get switched up again. Okay.
What'd you get?
Switch up.
Switch. And what did you get?
Number 3. Oh, you get activator. That means I get activator because we're gonna switch. There you go.
Pour, and then you guys switch.
Wait, guys, if I have blue on my hands and I mix mine, I wonder if that's gonna do anything. I can't even help you. You know,
You have some on your face.
I do?
Yeah, turn that way.
This?
No. There, yeah.
I do? I knew I tasted some, but I didn't know what it was. So.
Okay, time to switch.
I didn't want to switch. That's a lot of active. You're gonna make a drip. Bella, are you trying to make me have a mess? Okay, let's switch. I just dirtied your shirt. It's all over my leg. Oh my god.
And if you guys are wondering, because we get a lot of questions, what's on Bella's leg? That's her insulin pump, because she's diabetic. She's a type 1 diabetic. Bella, show them your pump. Because we get a lot of questions about this. That's her pump. Oh my god, your shorts are dirty from the shaving cream. Okay, so far now Bella has this one again. Hi, Bella.
Hi.
And I just have kind of the same thing, but it just has some activator and blue hands. So now it's Bella's turn. Okay.
Oh, wait, you can have one. I got one.
Oh, it's okay. I'll just get this one.
Okay.
It's stuck to me, guys. It doesn't get off.
I can't take it off.
Thanks. Okay, now time to see
Bella,
what
put that
I
one back.
get. Okay, let's see.
Oh!
What? Number 15. Do I have 15 here?
Baking soda.
You got baking soda to activate your slime. And also, there's only one baking soda. So
But Bella doesn't have any activator. So you got baking soda before the activator, Bella.
Oh, and I got number 8. Number 8. I have so much sparkly glitter stuff in my slime.
I'm gonna try to get it with.
I can't open.
No, you got, it's no spoon or no nothing.
No! I can.
No, you have to pour it in.
This is for all of it.
No, I mean, that's a lot of baking soda. Oh my god.
I can't open this. Can you open this for me?
This looks like a good amount.
Yeah, it's a good amount.
Yeah. Can you open this for me?
Oh my god, Bella, you poured the whole thing.
The whole thing is a really good amount.
Okay.
Can you open this?
Yeah, I help you. Oh my god, I can't open it. It's all full of slime. Oh, okay, I got it. Oh my
I
god.
can't even breathe because then
Look
all
how
the flum-
messy it is, guys.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Wait, I'm on the picture. It's really good. Unicorn.
Oh my goodness, look at this mess. Who's gonna clean this up, guys?
You.
No, thank you. Let me see.
Daddy.
Daddy? Daddy will
Mermaid
clean it up?
Dad. Now it's my turn, and I'm gonna mix it. See what I got. I'm gonna go for this one. It's like stuck to me. Okay, let's see what I get. Okay, let's see. Number 5. I get. Look how pretty
What is 6?
Clear glue.
Oh, clear glue.
Can you open it for me?
Yeah.
I usually help her open it, but today she's helping me.
I can't.
Here, I'll help you.
I can't either. Look, it made like a spider web almost. Look, guys, can you see it?
Here you go.
Thanks. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
I like my mom.
Oh my god, guys.
I love my mama.
This looks really pretty.
Can we show them?
Yes, you can.
Oh, it looks so pretty, but it's so messy.
Yeah. Okay, guys, so now it's Bella's turn. Okay, so you can pick. And oh no, it's dripping, it's dripping, it's dripping, it's dripping. Okay. This one. Oh my god, it's covered in slime stuff. Okay, let's see what I get. Let's see what I get. What is this one? Number 12. What's number 12? Oh, I get white glue. White glue.
What did you get, Bella?
Number 14 was 14. Oh, she got these little, I think it's called Fimo little things.
They're like little butterflies?
Yeah.
Do you think that's going to change the color of your slime?
This?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll probably make it lighter because I feel like my slime's going to turn out green. Mermaid. This will be like a light
Let
mermaid.
me see what you're doing. Wow, they're so pretty, Bella.
I'm gonna put in the holding on the tree.
Guys, look at my hands. Oh no, it's dripping again. I need to go like that. Oh my god, this is so messy. I'm sorry, Mom.
What are you sorry for? You're the one that's going to clean it.
This is the last round and I'm going to go, okay.
And Bella, you still haven't got an activator.
Since I got this one, you're gonna get that one, okay? Well, she got baking soda, but that's not gonna activate alone. 13. Where's 13?
Right there.
Oh, and I got these little, what is this? These little flakes, like snowflakes. It's like Christmas slime.
But what is it? It's flowers?
Yeah, it kind of looks like snowflakes or something.
Let me see. Oh, they're so
But we
pretty.
could just pretend they're seashells since it's mermaid slime.
Bella, what number did you get? Do you need help?
Yeah, it's so complicated.
It's so complicated.
I think it's 1.
I think it's activator because that's all you have left.
Yeah.
But let me see the number. Open it to make sure.
Here, let's make sure first. Don't add it in yet. Okay, let's see.
You want me to open it?
Sure.
Be careful you don't break it.
Okay, here you go.
Let me see.
I'm sorry, guys. It's just that.
Oh my goodness, it's like so stuck.
dripping. Oh no, which one did I get? I don't even know.
Hold on. Hold on, Bella. Don't pour it in yet. Let's make sure. Oh my god, this thing is so stuck.
It's so sticky, you guys. Like,
Oh my god, it's like breaking. But yeah, it is number 16. Okay, Bella, go.
don't try this at home. I know we're trying it at home, but trust me, your parents will not be happy with the mess. I can't even open it.
Bella, you got lucky because you almost didn't have activator. Are you okay?
Well, my slime isn't gonna activate because all I got was contact solution.
It's okay.
It might still activate. You contact
It's
solution might still
okay.
activate.
Because it went in my eye and it's for your eyes.
Yeah, it's for your eyes anyway.
Okay, let's see what you got.
Looks so pretty.
Oh, they look so pretty. Let me see yours. Oh my god, I can't choose. They both look so pretty.
It's moving the activator.
I
me
wonder
see.
if it'll be crunchy slime.
Comment down below which one you guys like best before, and then we'll comment down below which one you like best after.
So now it's time to mix it all together. And also comment down below, like our mom said, whose do you like before and whose do you like after. Okay, let's mix. This feels like it's gonna be like a crunchy slime.
Oh my gosh, be careful. It's gonna mix together with hers.
Oh my god, it's actually kind of coming together. Okay guys, so mine just looks like a mermaid slime and it feels really like crunchy and like chunky almost.
Wow, Bella's yours is coming together.
Yeah.
Look at this. I see some parts that are coming together, so I just think we need to knead it a little bit more.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll be back once we're done fixing this. Okay guys, so this is how our slimes turned out. Mine's turned out like a really pretty green and it has like a crunchy texture.
And mine is a really pretty light blue. And it has a really good texture too.
Yours looks really fluffy. I went all over our legs and we had to like rinse towels all over, like it was really messy. So do not try this at home. It was super messy.
Zippy!
Yeah.
Look at the top.
It's so crunchy.
Crunchy noises.
Let me see it up close.
I think hers are crunchy because of the little butterflies.
Let me see, Bella. Crunch it. Wow, it's so crunchy. And it matches your bowl.
Oh yeah. What color is my bow? I forgot.
Yours is pink and blue. It doesn't match, but it matches your shirt because it's like mermaid.
Yeah.
Can we see it up close?
This is it. And make also crunchy noises.
Wow. You guys did a good job, right?
Thank you.
And if you like mine, comment down below. Hashtag Cinderella slime.
And if you like my slime before and after, comment down below. Hashtag Ariel slime.
So this is today's ended video.
So today's shout outs go to
Super Sister.
We love you so much. And Stephanie Alexander. We also love you so much. And we love you guys so much as well. And if you want to be part of our next shout outs, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment down below. Hashtag JB Squad. Put the bell and like this video. Mwah!